In this video today, I want to walk you through the process that I used to make my very first $1,000 online selling digital products. And I want you to know something. This is not about get rich quick business, and this is not any financial guarantee. This is a step-by-step process that I'm going to walk you through right now in this video, and you can get to copy this process step by step for yourself to build your own passive income in the online space. There's no result guarantee. The amount of work that you put in is what is going to give you the result that you are hoping for, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime I drop an helpful video right there on this channel, right? So like I said, this is going to be like a step by step, and I'm going to walk you through all of this process from step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and I will show you how you can get started with this business model at the end of this video. So if you watch this video to the very end, you can get to benefit from the lesson that I'm going to offer to you at the end of this video, right? Now, the very first thing is to identify the problem that you want to create a digital product around, that you want the digital product to solve, right? Now, let's take this on the global level, and you have to look out to the general markets worldwide. What are the particular things that you know that people don't know that you can create and sell to them, for them to acquire a new knowledge, a new understanding, a new perspective about stores or about skills, right? Now, this is what is called digital product. Is anything that you can create for people that people can get access to digitally without any stress, and also just for them to acquire a particular result, maybe a knowledge, a result, or an explanation of anything, right? Now, the problem that you want to identify is the problem that you are going to make sure your digital product solve in the online space, right? Now, when we are talking about the identification of problem, you have to look out your industry, where you work, and what are the things that people are facing problems and challenges about that is hindering them to get a particular result or probably to scale up themselves, right? This is something that you are going to identify, right? So in my own case, assuming I am a freelancer now, I have to look out to the freelance economy and what are the things that people are struggling to solve in this niche, right? Maybe it's how to get buyers, how to transact, how to receive payments globally, how to do all of those things. Those are the things that you can solve problem about by creating a guide or anything at all that can help them solve this particular problem. So this is just something basically simple that you should identify the problem that you want your digital product to solve, right? Now, the goal here is not about the money, it's about the value that you tend to add to people, because the only thing that makes money in the online space is when you solve a problem. When you solve a problem and you render a service to people that they get the best value from, that's when they can give you the money from their pockets, right? Now, this is something that is very, very essential for you to focus on value than the money itself. Now, once you are able to identify the problem, the next thing is choosing the product, right? Now, this is when you get to think, right, what kind of product do you want to create? Is it an ebook? Is it a guide? Is it a video course? Is it an audio? Is it a podcast? Is it a step-by-step worksheet? Is it template? Is it cheat sheet or anything? Is it webinar? This is when you get to know what resonates with people that you are trying to solve problems for. As for me right now, this particular video I'm shooting right here is me solving a particular problem that you might have, because you are watching this video right now and you are trying to get knowledge on how to make money online, how to move in the online space, and this is particular problem that I'm solving for you right now. Now, I'm rendering this in a video format and you can see me right now, so you have to think, what is the best way to render or to offer the value of the products that you want to sell to people, that you want to use to help them solve a particular problem, or you want to help them get a particular result, right? So this is just something basically easy to do. You can decide to be in it an ebook, a cheat sheet, an audio, or anything at all. Depends on the kind of problem that you want your audience to solve. You cannot be offering a solution to video editing right now and you are creating ebook or probably audio without you showing your strength and showing them how you are doing it step by step, right? Now, this is very, very essential, because if you choose the right product and you identify the right audience for your product, but you create the wrong product, you are not going to scale anything with that particular product, because those particular products are are not resonating with your targeted audience, right? And the third step right now is creating products, which is something basically simple. Now you've identified your audience, you've identified the kind of means that you want to reach out to them, you know how to create your product. Now it's time to create it. If it's digital ebook, you have to like use a tool like Canva, Google Docs, or any other one that you know that you can use to pack all of the information so people can get access to it. And if it's like a video course, you are going to use something like this, a video setup with a camera facing you like this. Then you coach them through everything step by step without any stress, without idea anything, for them to get what they want and for the best value of the money that they are going to spend out of their pockets, right? Now, if it's a podcast or a cheat sheet or a guide, you can still use a tool like Canva to create a cheat sheet, a template, a journal, or anything at all that you want your service or you want your product to solve, right? Now, this is something basically simple. You have to understand this process. This firstly is very, very essential because these are the things that determine if the product is going to sell or not. So in order to not waste your money when it comes to marketing, or probably when you are doing the stress of marketing and getting people to view what you are doing at all, so you don't waste your money, because if you have the right people, you have the right product idea and you know what to create, but you create it in wrong format, that's going to be a whole lot of issue for you when you are trying to scale up in the online space. The fourth one is the goal for the products. Right now, you see this particular process is very, very essential. You can have a note like this and you can write the amount you want your goal to be, right? Or probably you have a particular number of people that you want to sell to. You have to write it down like this so you can be able to track it every other time when you start promoting it. And most of the time when I launch my products, I always have a target of like first 100 and first 500, right? So first 100 is going to confirm to me that people are interested in what I'm creating and what I'm pushing out. So first 500 is going to be like people really need this solution that I'm putting out, right? So you have to set it, and this is like a goal target for you that you have to reach. Once you have your goal target for the products, you are going to split it to week and days. So this is going to give you more workflow that you can leverage on to get that particular result for yourself. Most times it's not about you having the long goal, but at the same time it's about you achieving it, right? So which is very, very important. So you split it to what you can do on a daily basis to get to the particular goal, not just the general goal that you are chasing every day. Break it to achievable goal and grow from there, then scale with it. That's how it works, right? Now the next one right here is promoting the product, right? Now you've created the product, you know your audience. Now, how do you reach out to them? That's what's next, right? So is either you use Facebook ad. I normally use Facebook ad to reach audience and get to sell to them. I leverage on WhatsApp. I leverage on marketplaces. I do use Takeout and Warrior Plus to list out my product, so people can get to even make money from me by recommending my products to other people. So most times I always get affiliates to request to promote my products, and they can get to sell it to their targeted audience, maybe email list or anything at all, just for me to earn my commission. It's something basically simple and easy to do. And you can decide to start on Facebook ad, where you can be spending like 2,500, 3,000 naira on a daily basis to test the ability of your product and with the audience that you are. And if this doesn't resonate very well, that means you miss a point or you miss a step out of this formula, right? Now, you can go back to the very first or the second one to identify again. Maybe you are promoting this to the right people that need this service that you are selling, right? So those are the steps that you can use to scale up right from here, and you can get to do better for yourself by creating digital products and getting it to people in the online space. So let me walk you through all of this again. The very first thing you have to do is to focus on value than income, right? Now, you see, focusing on value than income is one of the things that's going to give you more credibility in the online space. Like, people will get to identify you as a problem solver instead of just a random seller or a freelancer, right? Now, this particular thing is what I've like changed my entire thinking about working online and try to like offer value, because the result doesn't matter, right? Is what you do on a daily basis, the problem you solve, the help you render for people, that's guarantee the money that you make. And the money that you make is just the reward for the value that you are creating, right? So it's something basically simple. Focus on the value, create a solution for problems that people of your niche or targeted audience are facing. So let's even take more examples. Like, as a freelancer, what are your service who are the people that needs your service. So this is the most essential part of all of these things, that you can get to like learn, and you can get to identify the targeted audience that you want to sell to, right? So I've prepared a step-by-step process, a step-by-step course where I walk you through all of this process from start to finish on how you can build and launch a profitable online digital products program that you can get access to with the first link in the description below, without any hassle, without any stress. This is a course for everybody, and it just costs about $2 to $3, I guess, $2 to $3 to get access to this course. And inside this course, this is where you are going to learn the step-by-step process from launching to create products. What kind of products can you create, how to identify your audience avatar, mapping them out, outreach and building, launching on marketplaces, and you can grow from there, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I want you to like this video, drop a comment, share with friends, and you can even let me know the kind of video you want me to shoot next, or maybe your own particular problem that you want me to help you solve in the online space. So if all of this being said, guys, I will see you in the next one. Until then, guys, be at peace.